Thanks.
Thanks, mister.
Maybe sit there and eat it now.
And Daddy. Hi. Hi, girl.
You get next to her with it.
Okay. Hi, what you got there?
Oh, nice.
We're at the park.
Look at you. That's a good picture.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hi. How's he doing? Is he tolerating it?
Yeah.
Here you are.
He likes her.
Hello.
There's Daddy.
Oh my.
Ooh, that looks so yummy.
Okay.
Have a bite. Have a bite. Here's your chatterbox.
That's too funny.
Hey, thank you for coming to see us.
Hmm?
Talk to us. Yeah. Hey, we love your butterfly. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Sweet girl. She's like, I want to chew on that because I can tell this tastes good. Bye bye. Bye bye, Sienna. Bye bye, sweetheart. Kisses. Kisses and hugs. Little guys.